Having a study plan is very important because this will help you achieve your desired goals with respect to your studies. It also helps you to get through your exams without worrying of getting a failing grades. Remember, planning is an essential to succeed in all fields of activities. During my school days I always wanted to excel in recitation. To achieve this I make it a point to read ahead of the lessons so I can always make sure I won't be left out. So I prepare a study plan after each and every class, so instead of going home immediately I spend at least 2 hours in the library. Hence every day of my class is an outstanding performance. No wonder that I impressed my professors and win the respect of my classmates. Having study plan also helped me to get high scores on all my examinations. The reason is I don't cram, I just study on time, and when examination comes it just flow like a river. Hence makes me answer perfectly all the questions. Studying can be fun if you have a determination and goals to achieve, but of course to make it work for you the way it works for me you must make your own study plan and comply with it.
So in this video we are going to make a simple timetable using our reMarkable tablet. So I have already made a timetable and here it is. So this is the timetable I made. So we are going to make a similar timetable. Let me show you how. First let me clear this page. So let me go to the next page and click these 3 dots, and now go to settings. Now click on view all templates. Now click on the grids. In grids, choose one of the grids, grid margin medium. Now click on save. So now we have the grid on this page. Now in the pen tool, use this option, and in the size, choose the 3rd size. And the ink type should be black. So this is the pen tool settings that we need to choose. Now let me minimize this. So first, in any timetable we need Monday to Sunday, and we need the time intervals. So the time will come here. First let me write the title, timetable. So we are going to use this grid settings to make this timetable, to make the straight lines required to make the timetable. So let me write here. First let me number it from 1 to 7. So because we have 7 days per week, now let me write Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. I have written from Monday to Sunday. So now let me write the time intervals. 9 to 10, 10 to 11, 11 to 12, 1 to 2, 2 to 3 and 3 to 4. So this timetable is from 9 to 4 and a lunch break between 12 to 1. So now let me use this ruler to make the straight lines. Make an outer boundary for your timetable. If you make a mistake anywhere, you can just go back and choose the eraser option. This is a soft ruler so that it will not scratch the marker nib. Now let me draw the horizontal lines. So as we can see, I have drawn all the lines required for the timetable. Now let me write a lunch break. Now what to do is access the menu, click on these three dots, go to settings, choose the blank, save. Now minimize it. Now here we have the timetable. Now go to menu, click on the eraser, choose the first option. Now erase the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So here is the timetable which is made in reMarkable paper tablet. So now we can do better, we can design it better. Let me just show you a simple idea which I use. Let me first erase this Monday, Tuesday, okay. Now what to do is choose the pen tool and use the pen tool and thicken this side. So let me show you. Just it will take some time, so I may have to forward this video. You can very well use this marker, it will be thicker. You can use it to thicken the sides, but I am choosing only this pen tool for now. Make sure that you use this tip very gently or the tip may wear off faster. I'm not an artist, but I'm trying to make a very good looking timetable. It takes time, but it's worth it. Okay, now once you are done, go to this menu, choose the same pen tool and go to the ink option and choose the white. Now we are going to use white ink to write on the black ink. So this will make the design look better. Let me show you. Now let me make some lines with this white ink. Make sure you draw lines from this end to this line. Now just draw one vertical line. Now choose the black ink and make a line from here till here. Now let me just close these gaps. Now you can see how good looking this timetable is. Okay, you can improve this further. We can design it as per your liking. You can also darken this from here till here, and you can do the same design till. Since it is taking too long, let me skip this part and let me show you how this looks after it has been done. Now once you are done like this, repeat the same process as before. Go to the menu, choose the pen tool, choose the white ink. Now minimize this. Now write the time intervals here, 9 to 10. Now take out the ruler and just draw some vertical lines. Now use the pen tool, choose black ink, minimize it. Let's make one more horizontal line, which is going to define this boundary. Now let me take the eraser tool and erase this part. Alright. So now this looks like an awesome timetable. We can further design it. We can use this pen tool, white ink, and we can further do some designs like let me show you. So you can customize this design. If you have any other shape in your mind, you can shape it in that way as well. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like, comment and subscribe. If you'd like more such videos, please comment below and tell me what do you want in my next video. Thanks for watching.